Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get stock notification from Grow a Garden on Roblox. Okay, let's get into it guys. To get the stock notification, I recommend you to join the Grow a Garden Discord server. You can open up your Discord and then you're going to find the Grow a Garden server. Go to the Discover here. And then you're going to search for Grow a Garden. Okay, and then you can join the community or the server. Okay, and I have already joined the Grow a Garden server guys, so I just need to open it. Alright, and this is for the server, and then you can get the notification here in the stocks channel. And make sure you have activated the notification from Discord so you won't miss the stock in Grow a Garden. Okay guys, and that's all the way to get stock notification from Grow a Garden Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video guys.